Start with After Effects closed. Hold down Ctrl-Alt-Shift on your keyboard. On Mac, hold down Command-Option-Shift. Launch After Effects while holding the keys on your keyboard. You can release the keys when you see the Startup Repair menu. Select Manage Plugins to edit your plugins one by one. Select Reset Preferences to permanently reset After Effects to default settings. Start in safe mode to create a one-time session with default preferences and no third-party plugins. This is useful if you are having an issue and you need to determine if one of your customizations is causing it. If safe mode gives you a better working experience, you may want to reset your preferences permanently and check your third-party plugins for updates. If no recent projects are on the home screen, After Effects has launched with default preferences. Hope this helps.